for our problem in the solenoid, first we need to find the volts of the battery. So we'll be using this formula, C is equals to permeability times area over distance. Then we will just distribute this value 8.85 times 10 to the power of negative 12 times 2 times 10 to the power of negative 4 over 2 times 10 to the power of negative 3. Then we will have a column of 8.85 times 10 to the negative 13 farads. Then to get our voltage, we will be using this formula. V is equals to Q over C. Then we will just distribute 4 times 10 to the power of negative 12 over 8.85 times 10 to the power of negative 13. And we will get this 4.52 volts. So for our 2.8 problem, we need to find the number of turns in the solenoid. So we will be using this formula. Inductance is equals to permeability of free space times n squared times the area over length. Then we will manipulate this formula to n squared is equals to inductance times length over permeability times area. Then we will just distribute n squared is equals to 0.285 times 10 to the power of negative 3 times 0.36 over 4 pi times 10 to the power of negative 7 times 6 times 10 to the power of negative 4 times squared. Then we will square root the terms. Square root of n squared is equals to square root of 1.36 times 10 to the power of 5. Then we will have a 369 turns in the solenoid. So for our problem 2b, we need to find the rate of change of the current. So we will be using this formula. EMF is equals to negative L times di over dt. Then we will integrate this formula into di over dt is equals to negative EMF over L. Then we will just distribute the EMF in L. So negative 12.5 times 10 to the power of negative 3 over 0.285 times 10 to the power of negative 3. Then we will have a di over dt of 43.886 amps per second.